Player will go into the forest for expedition to find an exotic animals in the woods and go around the woods to find some exotic animal that waiting there in the woods. After the player go into the woods, they find some animal inside the forest. There is some animal there. There is from the small wild animal to the huge wild animal that found inside the jungle. It is really fascinating to see, and player will take data of the wild animal that they found in the woods. At the end of the day after the journey to the jungle, player get back to the researcher to give the data that has been collected to get released become a book of the animals that players found in the jungle. Physics calculation. You can't place the letter in the wrong position. Avatar controlling. There is no avatar for this game apparently. Entity statistics. If you place the letter in the right position, player will get the star. The few you guessed wrong, the more star that player will get. There is 3 star only. Internal economy. No purchases. Linear progression. There will be a button that will make you go back to the level menu, and at the inside there will be the spelling game that have the scramble letter and the actual word for the exact animal that in display. If the player can sort the word correctly, it's the end of the level. Branching progression. For the transition, we just make it with back button so player can go back to choose the level that they want to play, and if you want to go to option you need to go to main menu first and change the settings there in the option button. If you start the application, then it will open a splash screen, then the main menu appears. On the main menu there are 4 choices, namely Start, Settings, About, and Exit. If you choose Start it will go to the next level. Select section. If you choose the level the player wants to play, during the game, players can pause the game. If the player has finished the game will return to the level menu and can repeat the same level.